Hello everyone, welcome back with the fifth puzzle of today, newspaper of May the 8th on Friday. We have a binary puzzle here, but before we start, let's count what kind of binary puzzle this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. So that means in a row or in a column, there's always 4 O's and 4 1s. So let's get started. Alright, we have here a double 1, here an O, there an O. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here an 1, there an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Then we have here 3 1s. I cannot place the 4th one here. Otherwise, we have 3 O's in a row, not allowed. So this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. Then between 2 O's comes an 1, between 2 O's comes an 1, double 1. Here an O, there an O, double O, here and 1, there and 1. We have now 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's in a column, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O, double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then do we need to compare? I think we need to compare. Let's 10. No. Why can I not continue now? Do we have here? I cannot compare with these. Alright. Can we compare with 1010? Do we have a 1010? No. How about 10? No. How about 1? No. Very strange. I cannot continue. 1. I have to make a mistake. 1, 2, 3 O's. 3, 1. 1, 2. Double O. Here 1, there 1. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Can I now compare? Double 1 here. No, I cannot. Strange. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 10, 10. Yes, this one and that one. Let's compare. 0011001100. Empty box, 11. So I need to switch these two numbers. This is a 1, so this should be an O. This should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here an O, there an O. And now, 10. Yes, I need to compare also with this row and that row, the first row. Let's compare. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0, empty box. There also empty box. So I need to switch these two numbers. This is a 1, so this should be an O. This is an O, so this should be an 1. 1 2 3 4 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright. Could be faster, but we have two almost similar rows, and yeah, two similar rows. 3 or 4, I do not know. Doesn't matter. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper, May the 8th, a tectonic, aka Suguru. So see you later. Bye bye.